bulgogi sauce. So delicious. Look at that. Beautiful. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dawn Annika. I make lifestyle content and vlogs, shop with me's, clean with me's, hauls, all of the above. If you like those kind of videos, and be sure to keep on watching.
I don't think I need a basket, right?
All the pretty flowers. Well, these ones are pretty. I have these ones right here, but they're only for like minimal work. And since I have a cactus, I really want to be protected.
Yeah, get it, that one. Like these guys.
Like those, but
Yeah,
those
these are
aren't
big.
cute.
Maybe the ones you need aren't gonna be cute.
Pretty. I remembered to record this time, but we got some Chick-fil-A on the way home. Salva just got a regular spicy. And I have the deluxe with some french fries. So delicious. Look at that. Beautiful. We just woke up from a nap. I am about to make some rice cakes. This is the barbecue bulgogi sauce. And it takes 3 minutes to make, so I wanted to try this real quick. So let's make it together. Oh, this lighting is not doing me any kind of justice. We're gonna do this together for the very first time because I've never made this. I've only made it one time and it didn't come out right. But I seen that you can use a saucepan. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to be putting it on medium heat. It says here to do 50 milliliters of water, pack of rice cake, and sauce with the small frying pan, then mix and stir for 3 minutes on medium heat. I'm just gonna do that. I don't really have measuring cup for liquids, so I just grabbed a cup of water. Okay, so it comes with 2 packets of sauce and 2 packets of the rice cakes. I think I'm gonna do both of them just in case Salva wants some too. Then we can just put it together with it. We have the gochujang in hot, and I'm just gonna put a little bit in here. This is gonna be my first time using it, so I'm really excited. And I'm just gonna take maybe this much, and I'm just gonna put it in with it. And I'm also going to add, OMG, this thing pops off. I could have done it way nicer. Shake my head. Just putting in the other sauce. This is supposed to taste like barbecue bulgogi. So I'm assuming that it's gonna be a little sweeter, a little bit on the sweeter side. She is all finished. I added some pepper jack cheese on top, and let's try this together. Really into mukbangs lately. I love watching Suyang from YouTube. She does mukbangs and she goes into restaurants and she tries it out, and every time that she eats it looks so good. She even has like a little rice cake restaurant that I really want to try if I ever get to visit Korea one of these days. I really want to try out her rice cake shop. But let's try this out. I think I just found my new obsession. Good morning. Let's start off the day with a haul. I have an Amazon package. They qualified for the overnight stuff, so I got it at like 5 a.m. this morning. We went to Costco yesterday and I completely forgot about my chai, so I had to buy some on Amazon. This was $23. I will put the picture up right here. And this is a vanilla chai, and it's supposed to have caffeine in this one, so we will see how I like it. You can drink it hot, iced, or blended, which is great. It even gives you mixing directions on the back. It's a pretty big bag, and I hope that I like it because it's a 3.5-pound bag. I also grabbed these nail files so I could fix my nails before I get cleaning to the kitchen, living room, and dining table. Let's make some coffee, or in this case, a vanilla chai latte. I decided that I don't want to follow the instructions. On here it says to do 10 fluid ounces of water, milk, or dairy alternative, then use a 1/3 cup of the mix and put it into a shaker, then shake for 60 to 30 seconds, then pour over ice. I'm just gonna do it the way that I normally do it. If this is anything like the one that I have from Costco or had from Costco, then it'll all taste the same. You can definitely smell the difference because the chai that I got from Costco is fully chai, whereas this one has the vanilla and the coffee in it. So it just smells really sweet. Put it in here, just like that. Then I'll go ahead and froth this up. It's frothed. I like to add 2 scoops of this, so let's add it. Like this one, it smells good already, so I hope the vanilla isn't too strong. Then I'll go ahead and mix this in with the froth or the creamer. Add a little bit of water. I'm gonna leave enough room to add ice. Just like that. Then I'll just go ahead and froth the rest. I'm probably gonna regret this because this seems thicker than the normal chai I get. Added in some ice, and now let's stir it all up. Let's try this. So the chai is very subtle, which personally I love when chai is very strong. I taste more cinnamon and vanilla in it. If you really want a true chai, I suggest not getting this one. This one tastes a lot like a vanilla cinnamon latte rather than adding the hints of chai. It's good nonetheless, but me personally, if I really want something chai, I would expect chai to be in there. This one is just too subtle for me. I mean, I have to keep it now. I mean, I'm gonna drink it. It's just, I really wish that there was more of that chai taste, especially since that's what I've been searching for. Maybe I shouldn't have cut open the whole thing, huh? Sal and I have a very busy schedule today, so we're cleaning as much as we can in the morning. He's actually washing his car right now. Then we have this little daycare place that we're gonna go see if Craig can get boarded at. Worst case scenario, which is also a really good case scenario, is that Craig comes with us to Seattle and he just has to come with us everywhere, which is fine. He is not barking at me right now. That is so rude. But yes, we are trying to find a boarding place for him. He is still intact, so it's a lot harder to find some boarding places for him and making sure that he's comfortable and stuff. The downside to this is that the place doesn't have cameras inside the rooms. They do post pictures and videos and stuff like that on their Facebook pages and stuff, but I don't know, it's gonna be my first time taking Kratos to these places, so I'm kind of like not willing to do it, but at the same time, maybe I'll be into it. I don't know. We just left the little daycare boarding place that we wanted to bring Cray. We got a little tour. The one thing that I really love was that Cray was not scared at all. He actually really liked the ladies that were there, which is crazy, and I love the fact that they actually listened to us when we said that he's very timid around people, and so he doesn't like it when we crowd over him, and he'll usually like growl or tinkle, but he didn't with them, which was really nice. He proved me wrong right there.
They told us that there's nervous shitters.
Yeah,
so I'll take a nervous peer any day.
I really like the place. My only downside is that because he's not neutered, he stays alone majority of the time, and the only playtime, which is 4 times a day, is with a person. I forgot to ask how long his playtimes are, because only 4 times is kind of small.
Like 30 minutes maybe.
But look at him, he's exhausted already. But I really like it. Salva, do you like it?
Yeah, it's clean, and then the luxury rooms are nice.
Yeah.
It has a bed for him, and then it has a little TV for the noise, which he loves.
I know that it's a little on the pricier side, so the one that I wanted to board him in is like a little luxury room. He gets a little space for himself with a TV, and he just gets like a little alone time. That's $99. I know that it sounds like a ton of money, but we don't mind spending the extra money, just making sure that he has someone there with him.
Yeah.
Because unfortunately, I don't have family here that can take care of him for us while we're gone. Like I was saying, the worst case scenario, which is also a really good case scenario, is that he comes with us and he stays with us the whole entire time. So now that's what Salva and I are basically debating on now, is whether or not we take him or we leave him here. I don't know if it's because I was charmed by the ladies in the front, but I think we might have found a really good place for him. Another downside is that they don't have cameras in the room with him.
No, they do, but it's only accessible for the owner.
Ah, there you go. But they also have like a Facebook and an Instagram that we can watch him or see him through pictures and stuff like that, which is, I mean, it kind of gives me peace of mind too if I can see him all the time and making sure there's nothing wrong with him. He does have this issue with, like, when he's alone, he'll scratch the fuck out of himself, so I'm hoping with them they listen to our concerns about how he needs a cone when he sleeps, or else he'll really bruise up his face. So other than that, I'm kind of yes to this, but I just want to weigh out all my options and see how much everything really does come down to be. Sorry for the super abrupt ending, but we are still debating We might be leaning more towards putting him into the boarding. We also bought our plane tickets, so we're really excited to go to Seattle. Whatever we decide, it'll be a good decision. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new here, my name is Dawn Annika. I make lifestyle content, vlogs, shop with me, clean with me, hauls, all of the above. If you like those kind of videos, then be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. And as always, comment, like, share. I don't care, as long as you're loving the journey just as much as we are.